How to save $10,000 in 1 year. Part-time jobs versus side hustles. What's right for you? Imagine this. You've got $10,000 in your bank account by the end of this year. Your friends are still scraping by and you're feeling like a financial superhero. Sounds impossible? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make that dream a reality using two powerful financial tools, part-time jobs and side hustles. But here's the catch. Both options come with their own set of challenges. Which one will give you the best bang for your buck? And more importantly, which one will give you the freedom to build wealth in a way that suits you? That's what we're breaking down today. Step 1, understand your goal. Before we dive in, let's set a clear goal. $10,000 in 12 months. It's an ambitious goal, but not impossible. We're not talking about winning the lottery or some kind of miracle. We're talking about a systematic approach to hustling smarter, not harder. I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a lot of work. And you're right, but ask yourself this. What's the price of financial freedom to you? If you want to live a life where money doesn't control you, where you're not trapped in a cycle of paycheck to paycheck, this goal is within your reach. But here's the deal. It's not going to happen by simply wishing for it. You'll need a strategy and you'll need to work smart. But first, let's talk about the two main approaches we're looking at, part-time jobs and side hustles. Let's start with the traditional route, part-time jobs. You know the drill, working for someone else, clocking in at set hours and earning a predictable income. Whether it's retail, food service, or something in between, this is a route many people go to get extra cash. Part-time jobs do have their perks. Predictable paychecks, reliable hours, no chasing clients or worrying about business failures. But here's the hard truth. Your earning potential is limited. A part-time job won't get you $10,000 unless you've got multiple jobs, and let's be real. Who wants to juggle 3 to 4 part-time jobs when you could be doing something with more potential? Let's face it, who's got the energy for that? Not me. And I'm betting not you either. Now, let's break down the math. Let's say you get a part-time job that pays you $15 an hour. If you work 20 hours a week, that comes to $300 a week. $300 a week for 4 weeks? It's $1,200 a month. That means in 12 months, you're only at $14,400, which doesn't seem like a bad deal, right? But remember, after taxes, that number drops, and you're still trading time for money. But what if I told you there was a way to make more money with more flexibility and way less time commitment? That's where side hustles come in. Let's talk about why side hustles might be the golden ticket. Side hustles are the new frontier for anyone looking to build wealth fast. You're not limited to one employer, one paycheck, or one schedule. The whole idea is to leverage your time, talents, and skills to create multiple streams of income. And that can be the key to reaching $10,000. Let me give you an example. If you're great at graphic design, writing, or even dog walking, you can start earning money right now. Side hustles give you the freedom to decide when and how much you want to work. The more effort you put in, the more potential you have to earn. Unlike part-time jobs, your income isn't capped. Imagine this. You start freelancing, offering your skills on platforms like Fiverr or teaching online. Within a few months, you could have clients paying you $500 a month, $1,000 a month, or more. And you're doing it on your own terms. But here's where it gets tricky. Side hustles come with a lot of uncertainty. It's not always consistent. And if you don't know where to start, it can be overwhelming. So, what's the best way to make sure you succeed at either route? Stay with me, because we're about to dig into some strategies that will help you get started, no matter which path you choose. So, whether you decide on a part-time job or a side hustle, the key is strategy and consistency. Let's break down what you need to do to make $10,000 in 1 year. First up, budgeting. Sounds boring, right? But trust me, it's the foundation of any financial success. You need to understand how much you need to earn each month to hit your $10,000 goal. Is it $833 a month? Great, now break that down further. Do you need to earn $200 extra a week? Do you need $100 a week from a side hustle and $100 from a part-time job? These details matter. You can't build wealth on wishful thinking. You've got to map it out. Without a plan, you're just wandering in the dark. Second, prioritize your time. The biggest mistake people make is spreading themselves too thin. If you're working a part-time job, make sure it's at a company that's offering flexible hours so you can add a side hustle on top of it. And if you're diving into side hustles full-time, stay organized. Time management is everything. Here's the thing, whether you choose part-time jobs or side hustles, both options require sacrifice. It's not easy. But the question is, how badly do you want it? If you want to change your financial future, the time to act is now. But I'll leave you with one last piece of advice. I'll share with you a secret that will make all the difference between failure and success. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss the next video where I reveal how to scale these income sources to unlock financial freedom faster. Thanks for watching. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. I'll see you in the next video.